Hello students, today we are going to solve 19th problem. Question is given as an observer standing on the deck of a ship just sees the top of a lighthouse. The top of the lighthouse is 40 meters above the sea level and the height of the observer eyes is 5 meters above the sea level. So as per the question, the observer is standing on the deck of a ship just like this and its height is 5 meter, and he sees the top of a lighthouse just like this and the height of the lighthouse is 40 meter. Now this distance is d1 and this distance is d2. Now we need to find the distance of the observer from the lighthouse, that is d1 plus d2. So in this problem we need to apply the distance of visible horizon two times. So d1 will be equals to under root of h1 upon 0.06727. On putting the value of h1 as 5 meter divided by 0.06727. On solving this, that is 5 divided by 0.06727 under root of value, it will be equals to 8.62 kilometer. Similarly, we can determine the value of d2. It will be equals to under root of h2 divided by 0.06727. On putting the value of h2 as 40 meter divided by 0.06727. On solving this, that is 40 divided by 0.06727, taking the under root of the answer, it will be equals to 24.38 kilometer. Now for the computation of distance of observer from the lighthouse, we need to add d1 plus d2. It will be equals to 8.62 plus 24.38. After adding these two values, that is 8.62 plus 24.38, we will get the answer as 33 kilometer. That will be the distance of the observer from the lighthouse, which will be equals to 33 kilometer. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.